Hi, this is Christy from Kinsley Armelle by Christy, and today I'm going to be doing part one of a three-part Valentine's Day gift suggestions using Kinsley Armelle jewelry. And the reason I'm doing that is because I personally don't like flowers. They die right away, and I have eaten so much over the holidays that I don't need more chocolate making me fat. And because jewelry lasts forever. So today we're going to be looking at pink pieces, which are perfect for Valentine's Day, and we are also going to be looking at some tried and true pieces from the Kinsley Armelle collection. So my favorite piece, I think, is perfect for Valentine's Day. It is this blush bracelet. It is called this. It's part of their stone collection. It's called the blush bracelet. It retails on their website for $29.95. If you use coupon code C515, it actually brings the price down to $25.49, and I absolutely love this bracelet. I wear it as much as I possibly can. It's constructed really well. It lets the light shimmer. I love it. Along with that bracelet, I do sometimes wear this bangle bracelet that's also the blushing color. This is the bangle that is blush quartz. This is actually one of their older style bangles. All of their newer style bangles have this thicker metal around the edge, where their older bangles were just like plated around the edge. You can still get this bangle, but it'll be a thicker edge around it. You can get it in both gold or silver for $32.99. And if you use coupon code C515, it'll be down to $28.04. Along with that, you can get the blush earrings. Now, there's two different kinds of earrings that are available in this blush quartz. They are the older style, and these still actually are available. These are the cheaper versions. They are around $37 or $34.99. You can see this is plated. This version of the earring will come down to $29.74 after coupon code C515. Or you can get the newer style, and this one will cost you around $37.99. Now, I don't have the newer version in pink, but you can see in this plain old quartz what it looks like. It's actually more of a solid backing, just like the bangles are. So this would be $37.99 if you got it in the solid piece, and that would be $32.29 after coupon code C515. Now, the other pink piece that I have to show you is this beautiful chip collection bracelet. It's called Pink Lady. I bet you can imagine why. They also have these beads. They have like a shortcake, rainy shortcake collection that you can get a beaded bracelet that matches this as well. But this is quite a statement piece. Usually when I wear this one, I wear it all by itself with something pink. So if you have somebody in your family who loves pink, this is absolutely the direction that I would steer you in. The chip collection bracelet is $28.99. If you use coupon code C515, it comes down to $24.65. Now, if you are completely unfamiliar with this kind of jewelry, this is actually how I got hooked, unfortunately. I had originally bought these three bangles, this purple, black, and white, and I absolutely fell in love with their jewelry. Their bangle collection is probably their most popular thing, at least in my opinion. This is what I see most people buying. It's nice and safe, particularly the black and the white, because you can always find something to do with that. Pretty much every piece is available in gold or silver, except for this purple one. It's only available in silver for some reason. And you can even get this white piece in a rose gold if you prefer that color. The bangles, once again, except for they call this the Silver Royal, is $28.99. All the rest of the bangles are $32.99, and if you use coupon code C515, it does come down to $28.04. And if you like this bangle collection bracelet, they actually have a bangle collection necklace. It's called the bangle collection. It goes along with that white bangle that I have on my wrist. The necklace itself is $41.99. After coupon code C515, it's $35.69. Now, if you find that you do like this necklace and you do like this bangle,
I would highly suggest that you do something along the lines of their January stack. And their January stack includes these earrings, this agate bracelet, and this Goddess Collection silver bracelet. So it includes the three pieces, the earrings, the bracelet, and the agate bracelet.
So if you're looking at this collection, the bangle collection necklace, and the silver stack, which is the agate bracelet, the Lance Goddess Collection bracelet, and the earrings, comes to $151.97. After coupon code CSINCO15, it comes down by $11.23. Since your starting total was above $150, you get everything shipped to your door for $140.74.